I'm just launching on Amazon. What is your PPC launch strategy to get early traction? Let's define what PPC launch means. PPC launch means that you're going to launch your product on Amazon and then generate traffic via PPC ads. What is really important for you is to have a set of keywords that you're going to advertise for. Second is to have a set of competitors that are similar to your product, yet to have an advantage. You're going to just look up products that are coming up for a keyword that is highly relevant to your product. Giving you an example, whoever is going to run ads for purified water and they are showcasing within the first page of Amazon, those are your direct competitors. Now the second layer that you're going to do is, okay, is this a 500 milliliter bottles? Is this a 2-liter bottle? Is it a flavored water? Is it not flavored water? Make sure that is exactly your product. Then look up their listings, price points, and shipping strategy. So if they are FBA or FBM, and also their pricing and any coupons that they might be running. And then you're just going to take a look at, okay, against of all these products, against which one would I have a competitive advantage? Probably at the beginning, you have zero competitive advantage when it comes down to reviews. So if a product has 10,000 reviews and your product has zero, but your product is maybe $2 cheaper, believe it or not, we have data that shows that people might still be considering your product just because it's not a minus review, right? So we would use those type of listings whenever someone has lots of reviews and we don't have any. We would advertise on their listing because we want to gain the traffic that they already got. So the additional eyeballs that they already are getting via Amazon ads or via organic ranking, we consider them as competitors against whom we have an advantage just because we don't have a negative review. The moment that you would have one negative review, either 1 star, either below 4, that is when reviews are going to matter if you have products that are above 4 stars or that are under 4 stars within your category.